Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan. Most of the area has dry mountains and a vast plateau. The most important are Suleiman Range, Kirthar Range, and Toba Kharkar Range. The central part is Balochistan Plateau Western. Haran Desert is in the western part of Balochistan. Animal herding is the main activity in Balochistan. Smaller plains are located in the east and the south of the province. Farming is important in the plains, mainly fruit are grown here. Balochistan has a long coastline along the Arabian Sea. Fishing is important in this part of the province. The main rivers of Balochistan are the Zob River, the Dasht River, and the Hingol River. Balochistan is the least populated province of Pakistan. Most of the population lives in villages. Quetta is the provincial capital and the largest city of Balochistan. Quetta is the main port